Welcome family. Today we'll be making some chicken tortilla wraps. So we start by prepping all the veggies we'll be needing. And then cut your chicken into any desired shape. It doesn't have any unique way of cutting it. I'm using chicken breast. You can use thighs or any part that works for you, and make sure to remove the fat on the chicken. So now we make our filling. Start by adding about a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and add your diced onion. Your minced garlic, add about 200 to 250 grams of chicken. I'm using chicken breast. Add about a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Cover to cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay family, so it's been 12 minutes that our chicken is been cooking. So you're going to stir. Now we add the rest of the seasoning. After adding all the seasonings, you want to stir a little bit to combine, and then cover it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can set it aside. Remove this and set aside, and then we make the dressing. Why we make the dressing? So now we make the dressing. So we start by adding 1 cup of Greek yogurt in a bowl, and 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm using the avocado mayonnaise. You can use any one that best work for you. Add some salt. I'm using sea salt, and then some red chili powder for some heat. And you also want to add some cumin powder for some flavoring, and then mix thoroughly to combine the ingredients. Add some black peppers and some finely chopped cilantro, and then mix thoroughly, and your dressing is ready. Now we move forward to dressing our chicken tortilla wrap and enjoying it as well. Okay, family, so here we'll be dressing our tortilla. So you start by placing your wrap in a plate, but because they're small, I'm gonna be using 2 wraps. Then you want to place some lettuce, put about 2 tablespoons of dressing or more as required. Some stripes of chicken, some red cabbage, some yellow peppers, yellow bell peppers, red bell peppers, and some green bell peppers. I just love to put all these peppers, but you can put 1 or 2 or none, or you can replace with tomatoes. And then you add some onions and put some more dressing again on the top before you wrap. Now wrap your tortilla. So fold it and then fold on the sides and wrap. But we might not get the right shape for this because it's really a small size of tortilla and we want a lot of dressing inside. So I didn't want to put just little. I want enough. So right there. And then you can choose to toast this or enjoy it like that. But I'm going to be toasting this. Some of our peppers are sticking out, so we're just gonna pull them out. Since we're gonna be toasting this, you don't want them to get burnt, you want everything fresh. So we have enough filling in this tortilla and we are gonna enjoy it. So to toast this, you want to rub it with some butter. You can, this is totally optional. You can rub it as much as you want or as little as you want, or none at all. Now, you can either toast this in a skillet or in your toaster. I'm using my toaster oven. So you place it carefully in your toaster oven and then cover it and toast it for just a minute. Okay, so it's been a minute. You want to take out your tortilla and carefully, so you don't spread everything out, and then carefully take it out. And be careful not to burn your hands as well. Place in a plate and
so our
enjoy.
Tortilla is ready. So we are going to be serving it. If you like, you want to cut this into half.
My oh my, there you have your chicken tortilla. See, this is delicious. Trust me, it's really good. So you want to give it a try and let me know your experience in the comment section down below. See, we are out here to give you all the best. Remember I said we're here to give you African dishes and Western dishes and South America, like all around, all around. We're into everything. So yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for being a part of this family. Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me your comments in the section to tell me how it went, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up as well, and please check on the other videos, and do not forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. What are you still waiting for? You are missing out on a lot. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.